हाय सुष्मिता, फर्स्टली वेलकम ऑन आवर चैनल फीफा फोर्स। क्या कहना है पिछले प्रोजेक्ट की जब मैं बात करूँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है। व्हाट यू वांट टू से ऑन दैट?
Very grateful, of course, and जैसे कि I always say, validation is everything for an actor, and more than the fame, the money that comes with it. But when your work is being validated by people and लोग जब आपको इतना प्यार देते हैं, I think उससे बढ़कर कुछ नहीं. So of course, I feel very much motivated, very much looking forward to what life has to unfold. So yeah.
As you said, you are looking forward. Still मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी और क्या कुछ आने वाला है?
Okay, so there are two things which are set to release maybe very soon, which I can't tell you much about, but it's something that I'm really looking forward to. Rest, I'm still working on one project, which is again a long format, and I'm still looking at good scripts to come in and where I can actually showcase my talent at the most.
Want to know, is it some music video या कोई series?
The two projects which are set to release, they are films. They are like one is theatrical and one is OTT based film. And the other project that is coming out is with like one of the very renowned directors. We shot a very interesting short film, and that's also supposed to release. And these things are supposed to release. One of the things that I'm working on is again a film. So yeah.
ये भी जानना चाहेंगे आपसे, दिलजीत के साथ जो प्रोजेक्ट हुआ ये किस तरीके से ऑन बोर्ड हुई आप? वांट टू नो एग्जैक्ट द होल स्टोरी, हाउ द थिंग वर्क फॉर यू?
Okay, so actually what happened was I was supposed to shoot on those dates. So I think it was month end of November, and I was supposed to shoot for something else for 4 days. And unfortunately, even after shooting like one day for that project, the other days could not be managed, or I ended up not doing that project. So it was, I remember I was out shopping in one of the malls here, and I was with my friend and I get a call ki, you're being shortlisted for one of the Diljit Dosanjh's music video. I was like, stop joking around. I am shopping, it's 9:30 in the night. Why would you call me पहले तो 10 बजे के आसपास to for such a big name? I was like, come on. And I was like, then I went back to shopping. I was like, okay, I'll let you know. This is what my answer is. I'll let you know. And I went back to shopping and I told my friend that imagine someone calls me for this. She was like, you're stupid. Like, at least take it seriously for once. So after she told me to take it seriously, I was like, okay. Then I was like, okay, we'll go with the flow and we'll see how it goes. So then the same night the costume trials happened, because it was supposed to be a very end moment thing because he was already on a tour. So this happened. I don't know, I think it was written कि मेरा वो पहला प्रोजेक्ट ना होना, फिर ये प्रोजेक्ट अचानक से उसी समय पे आना, और अचानक से एक ही रात में सारी चीज़ें डन हो जाना. So again, a lot of things I think play a big role, and also that you have to be very open to grabbing and accepting opportunities all around you. So yeah.
You know, जो स्टोरी आपने बताई, ऐसी स्टोरीज एकदम सडनली, ठीक है, बट कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ें होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मैनिफेस्ट. तो आपके सीन में ये सीन हुआ कि कभी मैनिफेस्ट किया था? एंड
आई थिंक इट वाज मोर ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन. यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, because I started at a very young age, and I think only now that I've started to look a little grown up. Like uske pehle I used to have like a very baby face. I would not come into the category of a woman in a way. So I used to always look at these music videos, and it's been 2-3 years that I've been looking at these music videos, and I've been wanting to be a part of the music videos. And and I think I'm big at manifestation, of course. So it came around, I'm sure.
You know, हमने कॉन्सर्ट से वीडियोस देखी थी जहाँ फैंस के क्राइंग की वीडियो थी, और वो किस तरीके की वायरल हुई थी. वांट टू नो, जब यू गॉट अ ऑफर, जब चीज़ें कंफर्म हो गई, ओके यू आर डूइंग, वो सारी वीडियोस माइंड में आई कि यार मैं मिलूँगी तो क्या इस टाइप का रिएक्शन होगा, या समथिंग वॉज डिफरेंट? वॉट वॉज इन योर थॉट लाइक बेसिकली?
Okay, so in person I'm excited, but my approach towards everything is very subtle. that's who Sushmita is. So I would discuss it. Of course, I would tell my parents कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. But my approach would be very simple. So even when I flew from here to Kolkata, I was very normal. I was absolutely normal, and I did not realize how big of a star he is until I actually saw him. So I used to listen to his songs, and I knew that it's his time right now. He's a global star, and talk about India or talk about Canada, or even I just came back from London, and people are also crazy about him in the UK. So I only until now I realized how big of a star he is, and I went to the airport. I was all set, and I was nervous and excited to see इतने बड़े stars कैसे होते हैं in person when you actually work with them. So he enters the airport and his aura hits me like that, and that's exactly where I was starstruck. I think that was the first moment where I realized that he's not Diljit Dosanjh he is Diljit Dosanjh for some reason.
As you said कि स्टार कैसे होते हैं, so जानना चाहेंगे how was the experience, like how Diljit was in personal life while shooting?
He is a very simple man, and for someone who started at a very young age and is still in the early 20s, still looking at doing good work around the world, I would say, to see someone like him who has come from nowhere to becoming a global superstar is inspiring in itself. And the fact that he carries so much of pressure and so much of responsibility with so much of grace. He's humble, he's kind, he's graceful, and he knows what he's doing. He respects everyone, especially his own team. He treats them like family, and I was wowed by the way he approaches everyone around him. And he's very respectful towards women as well, and बहुत खूबसूरत पल या जो भी journey था throughout the way we shot in his jet, it was absolutely delightful and very comforting as a female artist, because of course बहुत बड़ा crew नहीं जा सकता था वो craft में. It was only a few of us who could shoot. So I mean, yeah, maybe.
फिर ये भी आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, रियलिटी शो हमेशा बस में होते हैं. वुड यू एवर थॉट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैम? हमेशा एक बस में होते हैं.
Yeah. So I mean, I have a very athletic background. I was into sports since I was a kid. I've been into dance for like 15-18 years now, professionally trained. So, and I have a very competitive mindset as well. I love challenges. So of course, if ever I stumble upon an opportunity like that, then why not?
Then which show you want to do?
Reality wise, I just answered this question. It would be Khatron Ke Khiladi and Chalak Dikhla.
Okay. Anything to your fans?
That very grateful. आप सबने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिया है, and again validation से बढ़ के कुछ भी नहीं है for an actor. दिल खुश हो जाता है when people appreciate your work, people appreciate what you've done, your journey, and give so much of respect and love at the same time. And it has inspired me, and please keep loving me just the way you have been, and I promise to never let you down.
Thank you.